Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we share tips, stories, and inspiration for a full-time RV life. Today we're kicking off a special 5-week series where we will be giving away 5 excellent books, all in great condition, read only once, that can help you on your RV journey. We've been in Florence, Oregon since the 1st of June, and we're leaving at the end of the month, which means it's time to leave some of our personal belongings behind. It's true, in this lifestyle, you can't take it all with you. This week's book is one of the most popular guides out there, Living the RV Life, Your Ultimate Guide to Life on the Road by Mark and Julie Bennett.
This book is a fantastic blend of inspiration and practical advice. The Bennetts cover everything from deciding if full-time RV life is right for you. Topics are broken down into 3 parts: getting started, emotional considerations, and practical considerations. It's oversized. It's about 250 pages and filled with beautiful color photographs of real RVers' experiences and honest stories that tell you not just the good but also the challenges of RV life. There is even a quiz at the end of chapter 1 to help you determine if the RV life is right for you. If you've ever wondered what it would really take to transition into a full-time living experience, this book paints the big picture while giving you practical steps to make it happen. For us, it was a great resource, and we think it'll benefit you too.
And now for the fun part. This book could be yours. To enter, just leave a comment below and answer this question. What is your number 1 question about the full-time RVing lifestyle? Then pick and add a number at the end of your comment between 1 and 100. We'll use a random number generator to pick the winner, and the number submitted closest to the winning number will win the book. We'll video and post the process, notify the winner, and ship it to you for free. Your answer might be about anything you find of interest. It might be, how do I know which RV is right for me? Can I afford it? How do I get rid of all my stuff? Where do I get my mail? Can I find reliable internet? How to pick safe routes? You get the idea. These instructions will be in the video description also. And don't worry if you don't win this one. We've got 4 more books to give away over the next 4 weeks.
Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the rest of this series. Next week we'll be giving away USA RV Adventures, a fantastic book for planning epic RV road trips all across the United States. Good luck in the giveaway, and until next time, safe travels and happy camping.